cowboy hat? How do you go when you're riding the horsey?
Like a back horsey.
You're riding the back of the horsey, that's right. And how do you go? That's how the horsey goes. What do you say? Yeehaw! Can you say, howdy, ma'am?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Good job. Can you say howdy, partner?
Hi, partner.
Very cute.
Why do you drink? Because of moving.
Riding cowboy. Hi, Duker. Here's your horse. Whee! Can you show me how a horse gallops? Galloping, galloping. Oh, that's so good, Aiden. Wow! Galloping, galloping, galloping. Aiden's been helping Mommy pack. Galloping, galloping. Kind of looks like a, I don't even know what you call it. It's on sideways. Here, let me help you put your head on right. Hold on. Turn it like this. There you go. Oh, Mommy's gonna wear it.